Happy Tuesday, everyone, and thanks for checking in as we take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson, and we are tracking a winter storm from the Rockies here into the central and high plains and over to the Midwest. Some of those snowfall tallies could reach double-digit tallies, but on the order maybe 4 to 10 inches over kind of a widespread basis. And then behind the storm system, we're going to cool down briefly, as we take a look into next week, looking at some warmer conditions once again. So here's the big storm system we're talking about, snowing through the central of the northern Rockies. This area of low pressure works out into the plains late today and tonight, and that will actually intensify. So the wind field is going to be picking up showers and thunderstorms from the lower Mississippi Valley into the Gulf Coast states into Wednesday. Some of those strongs later tomorrow could be a little bit on the strong side. But again, notice how widespread this wind field is. Those lines of equal air pressure are jammed together, and that is going to help to usher in some colder air from Canada. Then by Thursday midday, you can see the heaviest rain along the eastern part of the country. Meanwhile, we continue to pile up that moisture in the Pacific Northwest, another 4 to 8+ inches along the coast and the highest elevations. Here's some of your heaviest moisture from the central plains and the northern portions of Minnesota, and then maybe 1 to 2+ inch rainfall tallies along the eastern seaboard into the Gulf Coast region. But the snowfall will be heaviest in the central and the northern Rockies, the Cascades, and then there is that heavier band of precipitation again, or snowfall, which will be shovelable and plowable through the day today and tomorrow from the central plains into northern Minnesota. All right, looking ahead to next week, December 20th through the 24th, the eastern half of the country, a good shot of well above average conditions once again. But today, temperatures in the eastern half of the country will be much warmer than average, and then in the wake of this trough, it is going to be cooler than average by about 10, 15, even close to 20 degrees in places even as far south as Phoenix, Arizona will be at 52, but 36 in Minneapolis, still above average there. At Atlanta, 68 and 72 in New Orleans. Have a good one.